So this is a competition and you can win a lifetime subscription to some fantastic social media management software. So do keep on watching, but just very quickly, how we got to this point. Started doing this channel back in July. It's about 5 months old. It's December 2022. Ever since I've started doing these videos, the software companies, when I make them a video, they get in touch with me because they see the video on YouTube and go, thanks so much for the review. And I have struck up a relationship with most of them, and they always tend to ask, what can we do for you? You know, because obviously it's business. They want more people to find out about their software and eventually subscribe. So I just suggested to a few of them, why don't you give me your software to give away as a prize in my competition? And some of them have come back to me and said, yeah, that's a great idea. More software companies, just get on. It's a great way for you to promote your business. So all I would ask of you, if you enter the competitions, for example, we're going to talk about Radar now. So this video will be, you can fast forward a bit where I give you a bit of a plug of Radar and I show you their website and what you can do. And then I'll give you details of the competition. Radar have given me 3 copies to give away. All I would ask in return is, it's in the link in the description. If you're into social media management, if you're interested in that kind of thing where you want to auto-post stuff and it does a whole host of things, try it out. Go onto their website through the link in my description and give it a test run. And then if you like it, you might end up subscribing. So they're happy. And you never know, you might win the competition and win a lifetime subscription. All right, so we're going to jump in. And here is Radar, is the website. All right, so very high ratings on everywhere like Capterra and all of that. I'll show you the homepage first. All of your social media managed in one place. It's similar to things like, I don't want to mention the other big names, but Hootsuite, all of those kind of things, but it's very reasonably priced. It supports all of these platforms, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, the list goes on. As I say, there's the high ratings on Capterra. You can basically, across the calendar you see there, I'm not going to go into the software now, I do use it, but you can plan all of your posts for a month or however long you want. You can publish, engage. You can actually, once you've set up all your accounts, you can send messages. Say you get a YouTube comment, you can reply to that within Radar. You can reply to all your messages you get on social media. Analyze how you're doing. It'll give you the metrics. You can track the right keywords that are working. And it's got other features. I'll just show you very quickly some of the other features. Social media monitoring. You can see key terms from your industry. You can manage all your passwords for all your accounts. Would be fantastic if you are a social, if you manage other people's accounts. You can manage your hashtags, landing pages, and you can collaborate with all of your team. There's lots of features of it. It's really good. So that's it with the big sell of Radar. And I'll try and remember to put the actual video of my full review. I think I've actually got quite a few reviews of Radar on the channel. You'll see a full Radar playlist so you can really see how it works. So that is Radar, worth a try. And here is the competition. Pause video, back in a sec. So as we speak, it's the 16th of December. This is open for entry on the 17th, which is when I'm uploading the video. Letting you into the secrets. That's how it works. Make a video. Spend ages blooming editing it. Hopefully not too much with this one. Do me bits and bobs to it. Upload it to YouTube the next day, generally. Right, so here's the competition. At the moment, you can't enter on this link, but the link is in the description of this video. I'll post it on the socials and everywhere. You can enter for absolutely free with all of the competitions. And we're using some software in a roundabout way called King Zuma, which runs these competitions. Look at my other video. And you get bonus entries by following me, subscribing to me. Of course, that's why I'm doing it. I've got to be honest about this. I'd rather be dead honest. I do a competition. I want you to subscribe to me on everywhere. I want you to tell your friends about my channel. That's why I'm doing it. And Radar are doing it because they want to get more of you subscribing to their software eventually. That's how the world works. But in the meantime, you could win. So it's a lifetime subscription to the Social Media Manager. All of the details will be on about exactly what you can win. The competition wins for a month. You get an entry just for entering, and then you get bonus entries just by, subscribing to the channel or doing a few other tasks. So enter on the link below in this description, and you could win with me and Radar. There's my cheesy bit. Shall I do it at the end now? I'll be cheesy. All right, this is the cheesy bit coming up. You can win a lifetime subscription to Radar, the amazing social media management software. Simply enter the competition by clicking. There you go, yeah. No. I did used to work on shopping telly. I used to be Mr. Cheese like that, Mr. Enthusiastic. I will do it in some of my videos. It's good to be up, isn't it? All right. Thanks for the video. Thanks for the entries. As I say, do subscribe to the channel and just spread the word. It really helps me. I hope you enjoy what I'm doing. I'm trying to be very honest, keep it real, and hopefully you're enjoying that. See you next time, everybody, and best of luck in this competition with Radar.